If I was brand new to investing, this is exactly how I would structure my portfolio to make sure I have a strong foundation. Of course, this is not financial advice, but if I were to restart my journey, this is the way I would do it. So I think VOO, which tracks the S&P 500, should make up a large portion of your portfolio. Depending on your growth goals and your risk tolerance, I would say it should be around 30 to 50%. Now, the reason why I like VOO and the S&P 500 tracking ETF so much is that the S&P 500 automatically tracks the top 500 performing companies in America. And the beauty of investing in these ETFs is that you can literally just hold it and never have to look at it or touch it or do anything. So with that being your base of your portfolio, I would go into some growth ETFs because ETF investing long term is honestly the plainest and simplest yet most effective way to do it. So some growth ETFs that I really like: QQQM, that tracks the NASDAQ. A lot of people like QQQ, but QQQM has a lower expense ratio and they track the exact same thing, so QQQM is better. Some other growth ETFs could be VGT, that's Vanguard's tech growth ETF, and then also SCHG, which is Schwab's growth ETF. There's many out there you can look into, and then I would say that should take up maybe 30 to 40-ish% depending on how much VOO you had. And then for the remaining, 20 to 30%, again, the percentages will vary to your risk tolerance and growth goals. The last portion should be in Mag 7 companies and big blue chip stocks. So your Mag 7 companies is going to be like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Google, Tesla, Meta, Amazon. It's important to notice though that you are getting a lot of exposure to these big stocks and big blue chip stocks already with these ETFs, but if you want to try and beat the S&P 500, a little more exposure and more percentages of your portfolio being taken by those stocks, individual stocks, may give you some more growth. And if you're new around here, drop me a follow. I post daily stock videos just like this, trying to put you guys on. But if you're thinking about starting your investing journey, make sure to like and save this video so you can save it for later. And of course, drop me a follow because I post daily stock videos just like this, trying to put you guys on. And this is what my portfolio looked like when I started about 4 years ago. It is not what it looks like now though. I've also got a free Discord server linked in my bio if you want a little bit more. Peace.